And welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Take 2. I dropped the camera the first time. These seeds are from Life Prepared. Thank you, Kim. She sent me a bunch to try to Guerilla garden, and I'm going to do some of that, but I might also donate a few to the community garden, seeing that I use the community garden quite a bit, and it's a place that I can have the seeds for sure. So anyways, I'm going to show you what she sent me, because she sent me quite a few, and I'm so grateful. She sent me some sugar MPs. So that is that one. This is where I dropped it at. I was trying to show, let me see if I can zoom in on the seed. These seeds are so interesting. They're from the birdhouse gourd. I've never seen a seed like that. It's just so different. So that is pretty cool. Even the seed looks pretty cool. But that's a birdhouse gourd. We have some lettuce mix. So those are a lot of seeds there. Color mix radish. Let's see. Soapwort. We had actually looked that up. I have never seen the flower for that. So we got a few of those seeds. This is where it all started, really, was the loofah. She was doing a video on the loofah that she had. She had so many seeds and she was giving them away. So we got a bunch of loofah seeds. So it's going to be very cool to do. Tree lettuce. That's another one we had to look up. I've never heard of it. So that was pretty cool to see a photo of those. It says tastes like asparagus on the package. Let's see. And then we have some blue pole beans. And sorry, I was distracted by something for a second there. Zucchini. I don't know what these were. It wasn't labeled. Obviously some kind of bean. But I don't know what kind. We have Cherokee Trail of Tears pole bean. And they are black beans. It's very cool. Blue Lake pole beans. Super sweet cherry tomatoes. And these look like they might be small enough from the picture to do indoors. But I don't know. Actually, I didn't even know that cherry tomatoes had these little white seeds in them like that. I guess I never paid attention to the seeds. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that one. But it is a medicinal. It was a yellow flower, if I believe, when I looked it up. Rattlesnake pole beans. So I see some of these at every once in a while at the farmer's market. But not the beans, just like the actual beans. Muncher cucumbers. They sound so yummy. Muncher. Blue Scotch kale. Calendula flower. I know that can be used for salves and stuff. Early fortune cucumber. I know what fortune cookies were, but I didn't know what... I know they're a cucumber, but I didn't know what they look like. So I was joking with my manager that maybe they have fortunes inside the cucumbers. I know they don't. I was just joking around. But these are pretty cool. I never heard of those before. Carrot mix colors. And another one that I can't really pronounce. Chervil? Chervil? I don't know. Anyways, so that's their seeds. They're so little tiny. I mean, they're long, but they're so skinny. So that was all the seeds that I got from her. It was a lot. I was very surprised. Thank you very much, Kim, for all the seeds. That has blessed me quite a bit. And sorry, I'm laughing at Kira. She's got her head inside the bed, but the rest of her body is outside the bed. All right. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful, Kim, and may God bless everybody to overflowing, and may He always keep you safe. Bye for now.